Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile 10-inch Aneder frying pan with lid, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Crafted from durable carbon steel, this wok ensures a healthy cooking experience with its safe non-stick and rust-proof coating, offering a deeper and larger capacity than your average pan. Its multifunctional design allows you to effortlessly prepare a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to baking, on any stove type, including electric, induction, gas, and ceramic. The detachable wooden handle is not only anti-scalding but also convenient for oven use and easy storage, featuring a hanging ring for space-saving drying. With a clear glass lid, you can monitor your cooking without lifting it, preserving flavors and nutrients for healthier meals. The lid is heat-resistant up to 200 degrees Celsius, ensuring safety and ease of cleaning. Backed by a 45-day money-back guarantee and lifetime technical support, the Aneder Iron Wok promises satisfaction and peace of mind for all your culinary adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.